Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Seed Airdrop Allocation Checker Live. Is the $CD listing just around the corner? Exciting news! The highly anticipated Seed Airdrop Allocation Checker is now live, giving community members the chance to see their finalized $CD token allocations. This marks a major milestone for the SeedGo ecosystem, which continues to build momentum towards something huge. Finalized airdrop tokens are here. The wait is finally over. SeedGo has officially wrapped up the distribution of its airdrop tokens. Now Seedizens, that's you, can decide whether to hold on to your $CD tokens in anticipation of the upcoming listing or dive deeper into the ecosystem by minting seed mons and level up your gaming experience. Here's what you need to know. All farming methods for earning seed tokens officially shut down on January 15, 2025. No lockups, no vesting periods. That means total liquidity and flexibility for you as a token holder. The CD tokenomics are designed to ensure fair distribution and long-term sustainability. The new airdrop allocation checker allows you to verify your token holdings and plan your next big move within the SeedGo ecosystem. When will CD be listed, and what's the price prediction? While the CD token listing date is still under wraps, SeedGo has confirmed that the listing is likely to happen between January and February 2025. The slight delay is due to securing approvals from major exchanges and finalizing the necessary technical integrations to make the listing smooth and seamless. Some exciting updates from the team. They're working hard to get CD listed on top-tier exchanges, and we might even see it on Binance soon. A huge partnership is on the way, and this could send the project's trajectory skyrocketing. As for price predictions, early indicators suggest a promising range for the seed coin pre-market price, estimated between $0.024 and $0.044. These predictions reflect the strong backing from the community and the careful development of the platform. Breaking down the CD tokenomics. The CD tokenomics are built for growth and sustainability. Here's how the $1 billion CD tokens are allocated. 62%, 620 million tokens, are set aside for community rewards, including play-to-earn incentives and community events. 15% goes to strategic investors, supporting long-term partnerships. 10% is for the core team, ensuring development and ecosystem sustainability. 6% is allocated to marketing, partnerships, and growth to help the ecosystem expand and attract new users. 5% goes to liquidity, ensuring smooth trading experiences. 2% is reserved for CX listings and other related activities. This transparent distribution fosters a strong community, incentivizes participation, and ensures the long-term health of the ecosystem. What's next for SeedGo? As the community eagerly awaits the seed coin listing, everything is looking up. With solid price predictions and major partnerships in the works, we can expect CD to make a big splash when it hits the market.